Tower of Hell, but if I fall, I voice Rev. This stage is kinda easy. Okay, maybe I'm cooked. Please. Yep, first stage done. No, this stage is sulfur monoxide hard raw. Okay, wait, no.
Crying emoji.
I guess voice reveal. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, it's my voice.
Don't slow it down.